Hello everyone. Welcome to CAYIN Technology meetingPost Plus series tutorial video. In this section, we will walk you through the steps to install and start using meetingPost Plus. Install meetingPost Plus app. To use meetingPost Plus, please install it on CAYIN CMS server's web management. The CMS server must be installed the latest patches or updates. Please also make sure the account you are using has the right to access the app page. Go to Access, Account, on the CMS Management web page to edit the account you use or add an account, and activate the app in Function Accesses. Go to the app page and locate the app, meetingPost Plus. Click the Install button and the app will be installed automatically. Click the Start button to activate the app. Then, the app will be activated by default whenever you turn on the server. Press the Open button. Then, you can open the web portal of meetingPost Plus. Once you open the web portal of meetingPost Plus, you can copy its URL and use it to access the app afterwards without logging in the CMS server. However, you must keep the CMS server running all the time when you use the app. Log in meetingPost Plus. The first page you see on meetingPost Plus is the login page. Please enter the default username and password to log in. Username, administrator. Password, admin. You can further change the password or create more accounts on System, Account page. Introduction of User Interface. It's the top-level menu, which contains 3 items: System, Meeting, and Rooms. Click an item in the main menu and you will see more selections in the submenu. System. Account, create a user's account. License, enter a serial number to activate meetingPost Plus. Meeting. Room, list selected meeting rooms synchronized from calendar source. Calendar, manage meeting calendar. Template, manage templates used by the meeting room display. Settings, meeting and meeting room related settings, including calendar source and resources. Rooms. Room set, create a set to show meeting information of more than 1 meeting rooms on a screen. Calendar, select a room set and get a quick overview of its meeting calendars. Template, manage templates applied to each room set. You can change your language setting here. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos, or the relevant resources at the bottom of the product page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing CAYIN Technology.